Through our COATINO services, we've created multiple touchpoints to closely engage with you, our customers. Today, let's focus on the COATINO Product Comparison feature. But please first make sure that you choose the country you're in. Your country of choice will be indicated by a flag, as shown at the top of your page. You can access it in two ways, either by clicking the Product Comparison tile on the COATINO landing page, or by selecting Table within the Product Search view of COATINO. Here you get access to already predefined comparison templates, which you can further adjust to your needs. You can fully organize your own product comparison table. For narrowing down the many opportunities, please have a look at the left side. There you can select, for example, type, technology, market, sustainability topics like NEXTGEN solution, regulatory needs, and more. By choosing the product group, the table displays the same content as the predefined comparison table and can be specified now. Narrow the selection by choosing a specific technology or market. Regulatory requirements can also be applied. In the end, the products that meet the selected criteria will be displayed, making it easier to compare products side by side. COATINO Product Comparison feature will ease your life when it comes to evaluating coating additives based on technical, sustainability, and regulatory criteria. How do you like it? Please let us know. Cheers!
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.